Hi guys, so now I'll show you this Apple Pencil that I want to sell off. So it comes in a case. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the condition. The tip. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a test. And now I'm gonna show you the test. You can see that it syncs up. So yeah, there you go, it works. Want to sell it off. If you want to buy this, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.